A weekend blizzard leaves interstate motorists stranded in Nebraska. More from USA Radio's Rick Vincent in Omaha.
Interstate 80 through Nebraska was shut down in 3 different locations in a 2-hour period during yesterday's blizzard. Corey Thomas is with the State Patrol.
One of them was near Aurora. That was about a 15 to 25 car pile-up with about 50 cars stranded behind that one. The largest accident looks like it was around York yesterday, just east of York, where we had about 30 to 35 cars. And there were about 100 vehicles behind that one. And in both of those crashes, we actually did have fire and rescue vehicles that were struck as well as they were responding. And we have had some injuries.
The weekend blizzard dropped 6 to 10 inches of snow on Nebraska.